Welcome to YEEUU. In this video, we're going to introduce you one of the most advanced smart locks, the ACE1 smart lock, and show you how to use it. We now have 3 different models based on different kinds of deadbolts. You can choose the one that suits your condition. The design of this lock adheres to our brand philosophy, hidden high tech. For S1 Smart Lock, we have in total 8 access methods. You can unlock the door through fingerprints, multiple password settings, door card, NFC bracelet, NFC device, app in store. You can also open the door with the mechanical keys, which is hide under the cover. The S1 Smart Lock can also realize smart home integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Home through the gateway. Okay, let's start. Here are 3 AAA batteries. After you put it in, the keyboard would light up. That means the lock is ready. And you can put the cover back with a screwdriver. Find YEEUU App in App Store or Google Play and open your Bluetooth. First, register it with your phone number or email address and follow the simple instructions. You can choose to add manually or auto scan. You can choose to add manually auto scan. After connecting it, long press the button and unlock the door. Now we're going to add our fingerprint. It has to capture your fingerprint for 5 times, pretty much like any devices in the market. Also, you can name your fingerprint so you can see the record later. With S1, we now can add door card in your management center, and it's pretty simple. We have several different kinds of password settings, the permanent one, the temporary one, the virtual one, and the dynamic code. Let's start with the permanent one. It's the most usual one. Once you set, it will be permanent unless you delete it. The virtual password is a very helpful function to protect your privacy. By entering unlimited numbers of virtual digits plus your real password and up to 9 virtual digits, you can unlock the door without giving out any information. And for one-time password, you can set a timeline for your friend, guests, or visitors. You can only use it in the time you set. And after, it won't work. Recurring password is a little bit different, except the timeline. You can also set a schedule. The password will always be effective during this time. You can use it for your housekeeper. Okay, let's see the last one together, the dynamic code. They are implemented by special algorithms and can be generated without a connection. and it will expire after 5 minutes. Well, you can also get peace of mind of knowing who has unlocked the door at the opening record.